How to fix Roblox mobile alert reset password. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are here, chances are you are having trouble with Roblox on your mobile device. Maybe it's an error, an alert, or you need to reset your password. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the quick fixes step by step. First, clear the cache. Sometimes old data can cause glitches. If you are on an Android, go to settings, then tap application, then go to Roblox and tap storage and then hit clear cache. For iPhone users, just upload the app and reinstall it. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search Roblox and check for any available updates. An outdated app can cause errors. Next, reset your password. If you are having trouble logging in or need to reset your password, go to Roblox login screen and tap Forgot Password or Username. Roblox will guide you through resetting your password via your registered email or phone. Finally, if none of that works, reinstalling the app can clear any deeper issues. Uninstall Roblox from your device, download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in. And that's it. These simple steps should fix your Roblox mobile error. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any other Roblox issues. Happy gaming everyone!